For couples who love to spend luxury time together, this incredible Insignia Platinum Twin Shower is the very best in fully indulgent and immersive relaxation. This amazing shower possesses a whole host of advanced features, including 3 different shower settings, top-spec multimedia system, LED chromotherapy lighting, plus much more. With this sensual shower, you can enjoy time alone or with your partner as you relax and rejuvenate. Listen to your favorite music, the radio, or even an audiobook as you take your shower, from Insignia's Monsoon shower head, the twin baton shower heads, or even the 12 fantastic body jets, 6 for each of you. When you've finished using the shower, envelop yourself in delightful plumes of steam, which you may choose to enhance with the exclusive aromatherapy infusion system. With LeakFree tray design and a QuickClick system for faster construction, you'll be ready to experience this fantastic addition to your home in no time at all. Enjoy an amazing spa experience time after time with Insignia's Platinum Twin Shower, because life is better when you share it.